Welcome to this brunch and sip spot. This food better be good. Come on now, it's early. Early bird, get the worm. Let's get it. I ain't gonna know, it's a nice vibe out here, y'all. Got the mountains in the back. Yeah, we're finna eat some. This shit better be good, y'all. So let's do it. Y'all stay tuned, Big Marv here. Bro, let's see. I'm about to try this out. Fried green tomato, right? Got some sauce. That's fire, yo. Yeah, I can't complain. That's fire. A little spicy, a little bit. Damn. That's fire. I'll give it a 8. All right, y'all. So we got some breakfast, man. Let's see what they talking about. Let's do it. Got some French toast and chicken. Got some raspberry. I don't know what they said. And syrup. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Let's try this out. Let's do it. All right. I don't even know what that is. All right, let's try the. Let's see. All right, here we go. Damn, that shit hot. Damn. Okay, let's see what this is here, bro. Raspberry something. Butter. Hold on. No, this fire. He's 10 out of 10 with the raspberry butter. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Wow. All right, let's try the chicken, man. Yup. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I get everything smooth. 8.5. 8.5. Y'all tune in, man. Big Marv finna shout out on his food. Big Marv out.